Hello dear friends, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you very stylish latex leather designs. Different types of collection. So please support me by sharing my video with your friends and family members. You can get great designs and great ideas from our videos for your shopping. So please support me by sharing my video. Different designs, different outfits. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. Please support me by sharing my video. You can get great designs and very stylish ideas. Shiny collection. Latex leather shirts with beautiful jackets and stylish pants. Latest outfits, latest dresses. So my dear friends, please take good care of yourself and thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.